Ever heard of vertical blinds or what they are made of? Vertical blinds भनेको windows covering हो which are basically vertical slats जुन चाहिँ हाम्रो प्लास्टिक, vinyl or fabric बाट बनेको हुन्छ। यो vertical slats माथि ट्र्याक झुन्डाएको हुन्छ and which can be slide side to side. You can rotate the slats for privacy or light or you can fully open them for clear view. Especially vertical blinds हरू large windows or doors or balcony windows or sliding doors हरूमा युज हुने गर्छ। Vertical blinds कुनै पनि स्पेस सँग म्याच गरेर डिफरेंट साइज, टेक्सचर र कलर्समा अवेलेबल हुन्छन्। Need help picking the right one? Reach out to Interior Design Nepal today. If you are thinking of why to use vertical blind, then I'm here to guide you. Easy light control, budget friendly, low maintenance, and ideal for large openings. Here's why people love blinds. Great for lights, budget friendly, make room look taller and more spacious. But hey, nothing's perfect. There are a few things to keep in mind. They can be noisy when they move, not the best for installation. Cheaper version may look outdated over time.